Hello friends. Today in my video, I will show you how to send email template using Deluge script in Zoho CRM. So this is our API documentation in which we guys see this is the API which is used to send an email template using Deluge script. So let's get started. So I want whenever my deal is closed won, I want to send a email template to my contact person. So this is one of my deal. You guys see that. So I want whenever my deal stage is changed to closed won, I want to send an email template to this contact person of my deal. For that, we have to create a new email template first of all. So let's get started. I'm going to the settings, and in settings under customization, you guys see the templates option. So in templates, first of all, we have to create a new template which we like to send that to our Deals contact person. So I'm creating a new template, and here you have to select the module. So I'm selecting the Deals module. So in this, you guys can create a new customization email template. You guys create by scratch, or you can select one of the pre-built template. So I'm selecting a pre-built template for my this video. So I'm selecting this one. So I want whenever my deal stage is changed to closed mode. So I want to send this template to my contact person. So for that, first of all, I have to give a template name. Closed won deal, and the subject for that email template. Deal is closed. Sorry, deal is win. Okay. So I'm saving this template. You guys can create your own template folder. I've already created that. The deal. So I'm saving this template. After that, when you create your template, you have to create a workflow rule. So in settings, under automation, there is an option workflow rules. You have to create a rule for that. So I'm creating a new rule, and I'm selecting the deals module and giving a workflow rule name like send email template. Okay. So in my workflow rule, the first option will be choose like what action I want to perform to send that email template. So I want whenever my deal is updated on a specific field action, and the field will be the stage, and the stage is changed to the closed form. So I want that after that you guys can also create a condition for that workflow rule. So I'm giving a condition stage is closed one. Okay. After that I want to function option. So here I'm creating a new function, and I'm giving the function name would be send email template, and the function name will don't take any space. So I'm giving underscore, and I'm to copy the same display name. So here I have to first of all get my email template in Deluge script. For that I need that API. So you guys see this is the API which is used to get the template into our Deluge function. So I'm copy that and paste in my Deluge function. I don't need these two parameters, so I'm removing that. So for that, so so get the email template into Deluge script, I need an invoke function. So I'm using a invoke function and giving that name like get template. Okay, and in URL I have to copy that variable name C URL and paste over here and equal to slash, and in type I'm selecting the get. So in this API documentation you guys see they are using a get method, and I don't need these two parameters. Instead of this I need a connection. So I have to create a new connection to get my email template. So I'm going back to the settings, and in settings under developer space you guys see the connections. So you guys can create your own connection. I've already created a connection attached file. So you guys see this is my connection. When you guys create a new connection you have to select a scope which is used in our API documentation. Zoho CRM template email read. So I will show you that I have already selected that scope in my connection. You can see. So I'm just copy my connection name and paste in my. So now let's check that I'm getting the response of my template or not. For that I need a email template ID as well. So I'm going back to my email template which I have created, templates. So when you edit your template, so in URL there is a template ID which you guys see. So you guys have to copy that ID of template and paste into your URL slash and paste over here. So let's see that I'm getting my template content or not. So you guys see I'm successfully getting my email template into Deluge function. So I need the HTML of my template into my Deluge function. So you guys see this is the main content which I want. So it is coming in under email templates. So first of all I want to get email template, and under email template there is an array. You guys see this is the array, and in array the first parameter name is main content. I want that main content parameter value. So I have to get by dot get json, and I have to paste my variable name into there. So let's see that I'm getting HTML of my email template or not. So you guys see this is the HTML of my email template. So I'm giving a variable name for that like email template content. So how can we send that email template to our contact person? So for that we need a function send email, send mail. So in first parameter we have to use Zoho dot login user ID, and in second parameter we have to use which email we have to send that template. So right now for testing I'm pasting my personal email like opening my Gmail, and this is my email. So I'm pasting my email into here, and you guys give any subject name like closed mean success. Okay. So in message, I have to use that email template content. So I'm copying that variable and paste in my message. So let's see that I'm getting that template into my email or not. So I'm going back to my email and let's refresh. So you can see that I'm successfully getting my email by my deluge function. So you can see this is the template which I'm getting from my deluge function. So I want that template will become whenever my deal is closed one, not like directly. So I'm going back to my deluge function. So first of all, I need my contact email of my deal. So I'm just contact email hash selecting contact, and here I have passed an argument contact email where I'm getting from. Okay, so instead of this static email, I'm using my parameter name contact email. So let's save this function. Okay, so I'm going back to my deals module. I'm creating a new deal. The deal name will be H H agency, and right now my stage will be qualification. So let's save this. I'm giving an amount like 1200. Deal name will be Cantagious. Okay. So I have saved my deal. So let's see when I change my stage to close form. So let's see when I change my deal stage to close form. So I'm getting an email or not. So I've just successfully changed my stage. I'm going back to my email template. So you can see right now I have just get a email. This is the email which I'm getting when I have changed my stage to close form. Hope you like this video. Thank you.